Welcome back to Simple Trends. The best comfort food for winters are hot soups, which not only improve our immunity but a very easy way to include vegetables in our diet. It's an ideal way for weight loss too. Let's make a super easy restaurant style Indo-Chinese soup today. I have taken 1 medium sized onion, finely chopped, 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 small piece of peeled ginger sliced thinly. Ginger helps to boost our metabolism also. 1 carrot finely chopped, 12 to 15 beans chopped finely, and a little thinly shredded cabbage. I use 1 whole green chili instead of chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, pepper and salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of corn flour as a thickening agent. You can replace the corn flour with powdered oats also. Let's make this super yummy soup. In a 3-liter cooker, I add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You can replace it with butter also. Heat the ghee, add the garlic, ginger, green chili and all the thinly cut vegetables and saute for a minute. You can also add capsicum or broccoli to this. Add the needed salt. The soya sauce has salt, so add salt accordingly. Add the pepper powder, mix well, add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Add 1 cup of water, close and cook on high for just 2 whistles. 2 whistles done. Release pressure immediately after 2 whistles. I don't want to overcook the vegetables. Only if we release the pressure, we can retain the crunch of the vegetables. I have added half cup of water to the corn flour and mixed it without any lumps. Add this to the soup and cook on a medium flame. Adjust the consistency with another half cup of water. Boil for a few minutes. The corn flour will thicken the soup. If you want to add oats, you can add it while pressure cooking for 2 whistles. It will be a meal by itself if you add oats and will help in the weight loss too. Check for salt and if needed, add a little more pepper to suit your individual taste. It has been boiling for 4 to 5 minutes now. You can see the soup has thickened well. Just before serving, ensure that you remove the whole green chili we added for flavor and taste. The yummy hot and sour Indo-Chinese soup is ready to be served. Garnish with shredded cabbage and serve it hot. Enjoy the winter with our other soups. The link is specified in the description box. Do check out for a variety of tasty and healthy soups. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and share your comments in the comment box below. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant notification on our new videos. Stay tuned to Simple Trends for more easy and simple recipes. Bye.